Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with a small haul. I needed a couple of things, so I decided to place an order. It was a really small order, it wasn't a big one, but the first thing I got was this punch board by We Are Memory Keeper, and it's to make some pockets. I love it. So I'll do a video how to use this punch board very shortly. But I got this, and this order is all from Simon Says Stamps. But I'll, if I can find it on Amazon, I'll put it in the description box below if it's available, because I know not everyone can order from Simon Says Stamps. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. And what I needed was, this is for my album that I'm making for all the books that I've read. I was out of 3x4 pockets, totally out. All I had left was 2 pockets and 1 big pocket. And I went to Simon Says Stamp and they had so I got 2 packages from Echo Park. These are all 3x4 pockets, so it'll work well for this. I think there's 10 per package, so it should be pretty close to what I need, because one package I should be able to do, like each sheet I can do 4, because I do 2 per, so about 40 books per sleeve, because the other is where I do the journaling. So that's 80 books plus what I have. It should be good for this year, because I'm thinking next year I want to do something different for that. I still want to do it, but I'm going to do something different. While I was on there, they had the Chamel collection, the new Chamel collection available, and I haven't bought any of her collections in the last little bit. I think there's ones that her collection went on peachy cheap, just like the embellishments and stuff, and I got it. So for me to get the 12x12 at Simon Says Stamp, they charged $10 extra shipping, so I didn't do that. I have enough paper anyway, but what I ended up getting was the 6x8 paper pad. So I'll still get some of the pattern papers, and I can just put them on, either white cardstock, on another pattern paper. At least I get some of the samples of her papers. So I was happy with that. So this is the 6x8. Just flipping through them so you can see what it is. And then, since I got that, I ended up getting a few of her embellishments. This one here is, I guess her collection is called Sparkle City. And this one here is cardstock and lenticular shapes. Okay. So this is the embellishments that are in there. Super cute. And then there was a little stamp set. It wasn't very expensive. I think it was like maybe $5. And I loved it because there was a little camera, there's a little coffee mug, there's a little globe. I think this is more for a planner, but I'm going to be using this in my scrapbooks for sure. A little car, a little airplane, all kinds of stuff that you can use in a scrapbook. Even like this, there's like a little border that you can use. Numbers, I always use numbers. Actually, I really like these numbers for my album for the books, because the other one was kind of full. I like that. It's just a nice small number, and I think it'll fit in my little coffee cup. So that'll be good. I like this. It says, give it your all, go big or go home, up and at 'em. Love that. Love it. There's quite a few of those stamps that I can use. Then I got the sticker and washi book folder. Now what she does is, instead of putting them all so that they're all stuck together, they're all separate, and then she gives you a little booklet to put them in. I think that's pretty cool and original. So I'll show you each of the sticker sheets. Super cute. A set of alphas, labels, words, a confetti of little stickers to stick, and that's it. So I think there's 6 sheets. So I like that. I like that. I can keep it in there. I'll just put that underneath. Then I got the sticker sheet from her collection. So I love those. I love the colors of those buildings. And here's the back side. I love the little birdies. I love the coffee mug. I like everything. It's cute. Then when I went to Crop and Create, I don't know if I just didn't see it there, or you know, I just shopped the first day, and after that I kept away from the tables pretty much. But I didn't get Vicky Bouton's stamp set, and I had tried it when we were on the cruise ship, and I really liked it, so I wanted to make sure I got it. And it comes with some dies too, so I got that from her newest collection. And that's it. That's what I got in this little haul. Now, whatever I can link in the description box, in the Amazon link, I will, because I know they do have some of those on Amazon too. They have the punch board. I don't think they have the Chamel collection, but I'll take a look. But I just want to share what I got, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.